All right, so now that we have our character style set up over here, we're going to go ahead and apply that throughout our designs. So I'm going to start at the very top here. For our navigation bars, we're going to leave them as is because this is typically what typeset or character style is used in the navigation bars. We're not going to really change that up. We're going to keep that as is. But for wherever else we have our own text, we're going to go ahead and use our own character styles. And so with that said, starting from the splash screen, let's click Healthy Bytes over here and use our header 2. And of course, what happens is that by default, the character styles do come with that color or that fill added to them. So by default, XD will go ahead and use the same color for those styles that we set up in here. But we can go ahead and make changes to our fill for the specific cases here. So let's go ahead and do that here. And just as we go through font change, remember that because fonts are different, your alignments might change. So just be aware of that and keep realigning things as we go about this. So for the second one, we're going to do header 2 or header 3. I'm going to go ahead and again align things up properly. And if need be, we're going to go ahead and move things down a little bit as well. So of course we have the buttons here. So we're going to change those text in our actual components in just a second. But for these two, we're going to go ahead and select both of them and use our body one medium for the 2 over here. Forgot password. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little question mark to the end of that. Move it over. So I do want to actually make this body one medium more subtle. So why don't we go ahead and click edit on this body one medium by right clicking edit. And I'm going to just go ahead and actually change the font color to a little bit more subtle. So maybe something around that kind of light gray color. You can input this hex code to generate the same color for your body one medium character style. Over here, I'm just going to go ahead and move this plate kind of to the side to allow room for this text here. And then let's go back to our components and apply our new typeset throughout. For this button, we're going to do body 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the fill to white and also apply a medium, or actually let's do a semi-bold thickness here. And I'm going to go ahead and save that style and call this one my button text style. For this placeholder, we're going to go ahead and use body 1 and just bring the color to more subtle color like here. For this one, we're going to do body 1. So we don't have a font for this size here. So why don't we change the font size here to SF Pro and create a new character style out of that as well by pressing plus here. And this one, we're going to name it our caption text style. I remember as you go throughout your design, you can totally create as many character styles as you need whenever you think there's something unique with your character styles. So even for these 0 calories and the $1 over here, we're going to go ahead and use that caption text style. With the difference being, we were going to go ahead and change these to a semi-bold actually. And for this little 0 in here, we're going to change that one to body 1. So our components are now up to date with our new font. So throughout our design, our components should be using that new font set and our text styles as well. For the font verification, which is the title of the page, we're going to do header 3. And for this one, we're going to do body 1. I think that looks good. Of course, this one here, we haven't made this a component, so we can go in here and set those to, for the title, we're going to do body 1. For the $, we're going to do the caption text style. But we're going to go ahead and change it to semi-bold. Same thing over here. For this one, we're going to do caption text style. semi-bold, and just move it up. For this Italian, we're going to do also the same thing. Caption text style, and we're going to do semi-bold. That looks good. And I think that's all the font that we have. So we've set everything up now as the new SF Pro font. And as we go throughout our design, we're going to apply the same fonts throughout our designs.